What's up, guys? We're here in sunny Panama City Beach, Florida, and we've got our crab fishing nets out here, and we're on vacation here. We're gonna try to catch us some crab. We got a big pot in there that the hotel provided for us, and we got a stove and everything to cook it up, so I think we're all ready to go. We just need to get the crabs. So basically what we have here is we have a steel crab net, and what you do basically is you just take this off of a pier or something and you drop that down into the water. It'll come flat. Put bait there in the middle. The crab will crawl on there and get to the bait, and then we just pull it back up and it becomes a basket. That crab gets caught in there, pull them back up. So it's pretty easy method to catch. If you just want 3 or 4, catch them there pretty quick. So I have here a steel one that I got from Cabela's. It's a little more heavy duty. And then we have one here we just bought while we were down here so we could both go at the same time. And it's made out of this mesh net, so it's a little bit more flimsy, but it'll still work. So what we got here is we got just some cheap rope. We got 100 foot of it. So I think that pier is probably about 30 feet up in the air. And so we're just going to basically cut it right in half. And we're going to do an inline bowline knot to this. If you don't know what that is, and you can't figure out how to do it from this, you can look that up on YouTube if you want. But you basically just make yourself a bite like this, you go through the loop, and you're going to grab the other end of that string and make a little loop like that. And then you go around the loop you want to secure it to. Take that loose end, put it into that loop you made, and you just want to pull it down and make sure that it takes a bite from the rope, pull it snug, and that knot is not going to go anywhere. So that way we can just lower it down into the water like such. So what we're going to do to bait these, we're going to take a Gatorade bottle. The Gatorade bottles we have, they have a groove around them. So we're going to take that Gatorade bottle, we're going to tie a rope around the Gatorade bottle, and we're going to secure that Gatorade bottle right to the middle. We'll put some holes in that Gatorade bottle, and then we can shove things like clams or just some dead debris, basically any kind of dead rotting meat. The smellier the better. With this hook, so when you shove all that nasty stuff, that good smelling bait down into that Gatorade bottle, it's going to leak out through those holes. And crabs, they can smell really good, so they're gonna follow that to where the food is. They're gonna jump on there and try to get to that, and that'll give you time to pull that right back up. So that's really all there is to it. We'll go out and catch us some crabs, and then we'll bring them back to the hotel and go over how we're gonna cook them up.
And just like make sure when you lower it, you know, you're not tipping it over and whatnot.
Yeah, I'll make it also sure that it's not tangled.
I think this will work as far as this one. If I can just get this apart, I can use this on the other one. But if I just take that and run it through, tie it on there, should be good, right?
Yeah.
Wish I'd have brought a towel or something.
There's a hose over here.
Okay, cool. Alright, just tie that bad boy on. If you want to release that one down, I'm gonna go.
Wash your hands.
Gonna get it there by that pier. So we successfully kept these alive and fresh by soaking a hotel towel in salt water and wrapping them in it, immediately putting them into a cooler packed with ice. We got our water almost ready to boil, and we got our butter, a little bit of salt and pepper here all melted down. 15 to 18 minutes. Cooling them off. Cooling off the shell. Stopping it from cooking.